Here are some benefits of correct Uttanasana and the lower back. What the effect of Uttanasana on the lower back, especially in S4, S5. You can see here lower back pain yoga poses, and same you can see the tilts as well. So let's go to the benefits. Stretch hamstrings, calves, and lower back. It also relieves tension in the spine and shoulders. Then it improves posture and flexibility, enhances blood flow to the brain, calms the mind, and reduces stress. Remember that keep the spine long, core lightly engaged, and bend your knees if needed to maintain alignment. Write done when you did this exercise.